Hello, my scorpions. Welcome to the Red Cord. This is going to be how do they feel about me reading, where we are going to check about the person on your mind, whatever your situation might be, whether you are an ex or whether you are in separation, long distance, be it that you have a crush on this person, whatever your situation, we are going to take a look at how do they feel about you, how are they seeing you, all of that emotionally, mentally, and any other. There's one additional card for you. Okay, so on your mind there might be a deep desire for communication, and so we are going to see how this reading goes. But please do remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, join our tribe. We are non-judgmental here and we accept all situations. You can please comment down below how the reading resonated with you, what part of the reading is your situation, and please do share with other friends or family who might benefit from these readings. And if you would like to hear what kind of messages your person has for you, please do go out and check out the love shots, which are channeled messages from the person on your mind. Okay, so let's get started with first what is in there a heart space for you, and we are going to clarify as we are going along. Two of Wands, plannings and decision. All right, so the situation between the two of you might have been at a standstill, in a state of stagnancy and indecision, or they could have been, it could have been for going on for quite some time. All right, so they are in their heart desiring to send you a message, ask you to meet with them, have a coffee or dinner or something like that, send you a small message, and they are trying to decide. Okay, they have been waiting for some time about this, they have been mulling over it for quite some time. And why is that? Why is that? They have been very stressed, either the situation between the two of you, or that they are wondering if something will come out of the situation with you. This could be what you are also mirroring. You might also be wondering what is going on, are they going to message or not, and there seems to be this indecisive energy around what is going on between the two of you. Communication is so important. Mind. Okay, Five of Wands, conflict and competition. There is a lot of passion here for sure. Both of you could be fiery in temperament, but there could be a lot of arguments that might have taken place, and which is why they are probably conflicted. They feel maybe, or you feel, that you have to compete for someone's attention. They might also be worried about other people's opinion, be it their family or society. Maybe you belong to different religion. Okay, but what is on their mind is to end this silence between the two of you. You might both be not talking at this time, and to move towards you. This can take place between this Cancer season and Virgo season. One more please. Okay, so they do want in their mind stability with you, a stable foundation, a committed relationship, and something shook up this steady foundation between the two of you. And this person can be probably a fire sign, or at least fiery temperaments, very passionate, very eager, very charming. So they could be Sagittarius, Aries, or Leo. Okay, but right now when they are wondering if your attention is even on them, since the silence happened, since the no talking is going on, or the argument happened, they feel that you have moved on, or your attention is elsewhere. Okay, so they are now wondering, should I make a move, or will there be something that comes out of this situation that's causing the whole conflict within them? So what's the action Scorpio's person is going to be taking is, well, Nine of Swords, self sabotage, and nightmares. This person is stuck in their mind, alright? They are anxiety ridden, and they are kind of envisaging the worst case scenarios. Alright, they're going over the arguments over and over again. Oh my god. So the action is going to be very slowly. It might take a lot of time, or it has already, if the time has gone, because the Chariot was here and now the Leo card is here with the Sun. So this, between now and the next 2 months, you will probably hear some kind of message, and for that they are definitely having to fight with their ego, because maybe your words really wounded their ego or something, right? So they are having to take care of that. They are now slowly beginning to come out of their anger and their overthinking and repeating messages in their head. All right, that is what is going on with your person right now. At least in the action department, I'm not seeing anything happen rapidly, although Chariot does talk about rapid movement. So what is the underlying issue is balance needs to be restored. All right, so in Temperance card in the traditional decks, there's one cup which has fire, and the angel is tempering it with a cup which has water. So if there has been only passion, only arguments, this time out was very important for the two of you. All right, so they wanted a long term, steady, family oriented relationship with you, but I did see a lot of arguments happen. Something happened which caused a feeling of heaviness. There was an ending to a certain situation or a certain cycle. I would like to know more about the underlying issue for the Scorpions. What's going on? What caused all those arguments? Thank you, Spirit. Yeah, one of you did walk away from the situation. There was some kind of work that teamwork was required, collaboration was required, clear communication was required, and that went out of balance. And so this whole almost like no talking and both sitting in their own corner situation kind of has occurred, and right now they are working on coming out of the ego, and they will be sending you a small message in the near future. So what is your soul, their soul, or higher self, the spirit, the God, universe working on with your person is magician, manifestation tools. So be it whatever they are thinking at this time, they are manifesting, and they are wanting a lot of stuff. They want balance with you, but what they unknowingly might be doing is they're overplaying the same fights and arguments in their head, and they're lost in fantasies and confusion and illusions. This will get manifested, and so the message I'm getting is you or both have to focus on the desired outcome, not the bygones. It is making your situation spread all over. So the message I'm getting for you, which is very different from other readings that I'm doing, is since you are also in this equation, you need to meditate, and you need to take the because this person is lost in a lot of fantasy and playing your arguments in a loop. You need to start sending healing energies if you know how to do that, or at least you have to envision what it is that you both desire, the desired outcome, so that is what gets manifested. Focus on the love you both shared. There were sharp words exchanged for sure in this. There could be two women involved, and so the situation came to a standstill. One of you wanted just plain victory in the situation, but there is a possibility the two of you are soulmates and you have a lot of memories together, and you and this person, to get out of this stagnant situation, to move towards and be victorious and make this relationship work, what your spirit guides are doing is bringing up old memories, good old memories that you both have shared. Okay, so that might be going on right now, and that will prompt this person to communicate clearly and lovingly. Try and keep a balance between logical communication, but it has to be balanced out with love. You know, people forget to express their love while they are expressing everything else that is wrong with the person or the situation, and then they wonder why things went south. You know, some old chapter has to be closed out even if something did happen. Now I'm going to try and see if there are any additional messages I am seeing here. I would like to point out that this person, ever since you both went into your own corners, not talking, not communicating, they have been stressing a lot. This 9 of Swords has come out twice. Alright, they are overthinking. It might be the both of you are in that. Ever since the stagnancy came and you both went into hermit zone, you pulled away from each other, and there has been zero or no communication between the two of you, which is what brought the stagnancy. They or both of you seem to be overthinking, repeating those fights in your head. Yes, sharp words was spoken, but now it needs to be balanced out with emotions. So what else I'm seeing here? You both seem to be waiting for the other person. You need to bring an end to this old situation. Let the old burdens go. I'm just going to tell you why. Yeah, drop your egos. Just drop it. Ego never gets anyone anything good. There are 3 queens here. So there might be more than one female playing a part in this. There could be someone who blew something out of proportion. And when I say another woman, it doesn't necessarily mean as a love interest. It could be a mother, sister, friend, somebody. But there are 3 women in this person's life, and they could be causing, you know, all kind of arguments or something like that. All right, why all this needs to be let go of? Let's talk about the possibilities. What you can have is a brand new world full of happiness, prosperity, children, growth, you know, true happiness, a proper family life which is not just emotional, but you have a proper home, a family, money, all of that which is stable. And you know, there needs to be a balance brought into the situation with tempering of your tempers, your moods, your egos. And the two of you, and especially this person, does have the tools, the wherewithal to manifest what you desire. This might be a little time in coming, like it's going a little slow, but soon it's going to catch momentum. So it is going to start with a small message, but you both are soulmates, and there can be great immense victory over here. But for that, you have to let go of what has happened and this being lost in your thoughts and arguments and all of that. Both of you need to be working on this at this time. I'm now going to pull out a guidance message from the Moonology deck. This may be for you or both of you. Okay, this card. Your dreams need a practical plan. With this Seven of Cups over here, like I said, there are fantasies and there's a lot of thinking, but there's no clear communication. And when you're communicating, it's too logical, it's too practical, there's not enough emotion. So they both need to be balanced out if you want this relationship to genuinely work. Take a deep breath whenever you both are having a conversation. Most people, when the other person is talking, they just want to retort, they want to be reactive instead of actually listening and clarifying and asking more questions. Why do you feel this way, or how can I make you feel or express XYZ? Have a true form of communication, not just I want to be heard situation. All right, so if there's an apology needed with the Page of Pentacles, don't be in your ego. Just, if there's ego, if a relationship is important, an apology should not be a big deal. All right, so those are your messages. Please do subscribe and like, share and comment, and keep your love coming towards me. Thank you so much for being here.